In this video, you will learn how to add, edit and remove page border from Word file. Currently, you can see here I have opened a Word file. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Go to design option and here is the option of page border. Select this one. Now here you will find different options. From setting, I will choose box. Remember that you should select page border here. After that, here is the option of style. You can select line style. For example, in this case, I will choose this one. You can see the preview from here. You can select double line or triple line according to your requirement. Here you can see here that the preview is modified according to our choice. Now here is the option of color of these borders. Click here. From here, for example, in this case I will choose red color. Now you can see here border color is changed now. Here is the option of width of these lines. Click here. You can select any width according to your choice. For example, I will choose this one. Here is the option of art. You can select art. Click here. For example, I will choose this one. Now you can see here art is displayed here. I will choose none. Here is the option of apply to. You want to apply these settings to whole document or this section first page only. It is according to your choice. Now click on options. From here you can select margin of your borders. Currently it is selected 24 pt top, bottom, left and right. There is the option of measure from. Click here. Here are two options. Measure from either text or edge of page. In addition, here are different options. I have chosen this one, which is the always display in front. After selecting all these, click on OK. Now here are different options. You can choose from setting none, box, shadow, 3D or custom. I have already selected box, and from here in art I will select none, and again I will choose these options. Now our settings are completed. In addition, you can also customize these borders by using these options. For example, if I click here, then this border is deselected. It means that top border will be removed. If I again select this one, then top border appear here. Similarly, if I click here, now you can see it bottom border removed. If I click again, then it will be appeared. So by using these options, you can edit your border. After all these settings, you can apply these settings to whole document. Click on OK. Now you can see here page border is inserted according to our choice. If you want to remove this page border, again go to design, go to page border option. From here select page border and select none. Click on OK. Now you can see here page border is removed from our document. So by following this video, you can easily add, edit or remove page border in Microsoft Word document. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.